Gragnano, just south of Naples, after Pompeii, becomes a very famous place because of the fact that, you know, the air that runs around this coast is a very fresh and dry wind, and allowed you to dry the pasta not too fast, then make the pasta crack, and not too slow, then that will allow it to grow some mold and then go off. When the people says, oh, Italian is so good at design, you have Versace, you have Prada, you have Ferrari, and then I always think that great idea of design, of making a design, was actually born out of the necessity of produce different design of pasta than that the ergonomics, not only to please you in the mouth, when it goes to the mouth, which can detect shapes very well, but also to be very good to serve with the sauce that they were made for. If you have an Italian invite you for dinner and you go to his house, it's 2 o'clock at night and he's walking in and he hasn't prepared anything, the first thing that he will do, he will look what shape of pasta he's got, and then he'll decide what sauce to make with that. I look at the plates of pasta when they leave the kitchen, but I always make sure that I look at the plates of pasta, then come back. And I see, and I know if he's cooked the perfect pasta, if the plate is completely clean.
How you can marry a shape like this one here with a specific kind of food that will fit into it. I think that's great. I'm going to try and take that away and cook with specific pasta shapes to match the sauces that I cook with going forward.
I didn't realise quite the complexities of Italian cooking, so I'm now going to go back and study that. And I'm also going to be much more careful when I go around the supermarket from now on to look at the labels.